once you get to, I think it's 10,000 likes on your Facebook page, and you get, I think it's 30,000 hours of watch time per month. And they consider watch time as like, or maybe it's 30,000 3-second views or something like that, right? But once you hit those two things, now you're able to monetize through advertising just like they do on YouTube. And a lot of the times Facebook not only pays more, but they also get more views per video than YouTube does because of that share feature. So yes, Facebook is a growth solution tool. So somebody asked me, do I think that the food niche will work with YouTube Shorts? Yeah. I'm sorry, I just screamed at you. Absolutely. It's ridiculous. YouTube Shorts is literally the shortcut that, no pun intended, literally the shortcut that people have been praying for. Now, I had to take a pause because I was like, is it more effective than TikTok? It might be. Now, the YouTube algorithm is no sleeper. It has been a beast since the beginning, right? And it's only getting better. Bryson Tiller, that was a bar. YouTube Shorts for food content is, I don't even have words. That's why I'm stuttering. It's like, if you're not creating shorts, right? And what is shorts, right? It's just short form content. So if you're creating reels and TikTok, you can use the same video for reels, TikToks, and shorts. Just get to posting. You know what I mean? It's that same concept of taking an hour's worth of footage that you're filming and chopping it up into 15-second clips. Just flood the timeline. Just flood the timeline. Shorts is one of those things that in the beginning, I didn't believe that people were just going to watch a bunch of short YouTube videos. But now that's what people are mainly watching. They're literally getting into the shorts funnel and just flipping through, just like TikTok, flipping through a bunch of short things. And it's leading them not only to grow subscribers quickly, which debatable about the quality of short subscribers, because they're not as connected to the long form content as a regular YouTube subscriber is, but they're subscribers nonetheless, right? It gets you to monetization faster. It gets you to watch time. It gets you to growing your overall numbers. So I'm not going to speak too much on that. The question was, can shorts be a solution to growth? Absolutely. Even with Need God, as you can see, I don't know if you've been seeing, but scroll through the videos. You see how many videos been posted. You see the frequency of posts. You see how many views that videos are getting. And it's been about a year. You know what I mean? A year consistent.